So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, health, career, and finances reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of April 2026. I'm not a medical practitioner, not a career counselor, and not a financial advisor. I'm just reading the cards and the energies. If they resonate, good. If they don't, just don't worry about it. Just live and live your life. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. And whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on the readings, that's your responsibility and that's your free will. Let's start. Gemini. Let's see for your health what we have. Okay, death card. Major transformation happening in your health department in this month. Something is going to change and it is never going to be the same again. Now, death is a card of transformation and change. It can be positive, it can be negative based on what you are doing with your health right now. So this can go either negative side or positive side based on the actions that you guys are taking in this direction of your life, honey, right? So, major transformation, alert, kind of warning also. If you are not going to take your health seriously, your health is also not going to take you seriously. But if, let's say, for example, you guys are working on your weight or your looks or something like that, it's going to change drastically. It's going to be something totally different and like in a very positive way. And it's a huge transformation inside out. Guidance is Ace of Swords. You guys uh, should have a proper clarity and understanding of what you are trying to achieve, what kind of health goals you guys are trying to achieve, and what you guys should do while walking on this path, while choosing the right path for yourself, right? So, making the right choice, making the right decision when it comes to your health is very important for you guys to get the kind of transformation that you guys are looking forward to have in this department of your life, right? For those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the strength card. It's like you guys are holding back, or it's like there's some kind of delays or some kind of frustration kind of energy. You guys are not able to move forward. Frustration not in the sense that you guys are irritated to the level of killing something or someone, not like that. In the sense, you guys are going to feel like you should just hold back and you should just wait for the right time or the right kind of answers when it comes to your career. There is something that's holding you back from moving forward when it comes to your job thing, and it's very important for you guys to use your strength and your wisdom to not to do something that you should not be doing in this department, in this direction. Guidance is a hierophant. Connect with a mentor or somebody, a mentor or a father figure like person, mother figure like person, who can guide you guys in moving forward in this stuck kind of situation. Somebody who is expert in your field, who is in the same kind of field, and they have gone through this kind of problems before, and they can guide you in a proper way. So take help from somebody who can actually help you in getting some kind of solution to the problem that you guys are facing, the delay, the frustration, the not being able to move forward, right, in your life, in your career. Why am I not able to get the right word here, exact word, the way I wanted to express it to you guys, Gemini? So there is some kind of delay happening, there is some kind of blockage in your movement forward in your career. When it comes to those people who are having business or self-employment, we have the Six of Swords. You guys will be able to find some kind of peaceful solution or resolution to a problem that you guys are facing in this situation of your life. It's like it's not like everything is going to be resolved and you guys are not going to face any issues at all, but majorly you guys will be able to find some kind of resolution to a problem that you guys are facing in your business or self-employment thing, because it's very important for you guys to move forward, right? Even if you guys are having certain kind of blockages or baggages from the past. So mostly you guys will be able to figure out the solutions here, peaceful solutions here, and moving forward is happening. The guidance is the Nine of Pentacles. Don't lose your individuality, even if you guys are working in a team or there is collaboration or partnership with other people. Don't lose your individuality. Focus on this point also, that you are an individual and your individuality should not be uh, compromised because other people are not able to take you seriously, or something about your freedom, your individuality, and your individual investments or finances should be taken care of properly and honestly. Otherwise it is going to become a shit show between you and among you and whosoever you guys are dealing with, like group of people or maybe one person. Okay. And if you are single-handedly doing some kind of business or something, you guys should trust yourself, you guys should trust the process and keep moving forward. Don't go in this negative spiral that right now, just because it was not working out like from previous 6 weeks or so it's never going to work out. It's not like that. You guys have to trust yourself, you guys have to trust the process and understand, if this is something that you love to do and this is something that you really want to do in your life, you will be able to figure out the solution as well, right? For those of you who are looking for other opportunities, whether it's your job or your business thing, whether you are a fresher or an experienced person, we have the Queen of Pentacles. This is a very stable and mature and grounded kind of energy. There are very good chances that you guys will be able to find something that is going to have a potential to have to become something really, really meaningful and beautiful in the coming future. So very beautiful, very stable, very grounded kind of opportunity is coming your way when it comes to new opportunity, where it doesn't matter whether it's business or job or whether you're a fresh or an experienced person. So there are chances of you getting an opportunity that has a potential for a long-term stable kind of career in your life. My goodness, I'm losing my words. The guidance is the Hanged Man. Okay, don't keep yourself stuck on only on one opportunity. Keep on giving interviews, keep on sending your resume, or keep on sharing your plans with as many people as you can. Of course, the good ones who belong to your fraternity, who belong to your line. Okay, but don't keep yourself stuck and don't be in this energy of, okay, let me just surrender to the divine and everything is going to happen when it is supposed to happen. Give your best, keep giving your best, and surrender to the divine when you feel like you have given your best, you have done whatever was possible from your side. Now it's the time for the universe to do its job. Then only surrender to the divine and stop. Otherwise, keep moving forward. For your finances, we have the King of Pentacles. Gemini, you guys are going to have quite a stable finances, financial energy this month. Like your investments are going to be slow but steady, grounded and stable. And you guys will be able to get some kind of good results out of your investments or your savings. Like a long-term plan is going to work out in your favor, or something that you are doing very, very slowly but surely in your money, in your finances, is going to work out in your favor, okay, for the long term. The guidance here is the Three of Cups. Enjoy, right? Enjoy your money. Don't be in these extremes. Either you are saving too much or you're spending too much, right? You guys have to find a middle ground where you are enjoying money, you are having a good relationship with money, and you guys are not continuously worried about why the hell am I spending too much, or you are continuously in this miserable energy of I'm saving too much but I'm not enjoying my life. So you guys have to find a middle ground. Don't overdo, don't go in either extreme, on either extreme side, right? It's not going to be a good idea and you guys are definitely going to feel bad about it. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.